How to make $100 per day for free from AI art, new method. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and for today's video, I will show you how you can easily create your own original AI using this AI generated platform, which is the Mid Journey, and how you can make $100 with this AI generated platform. So from here, you can easily create your own original AI by typing some keywords, and once you have your AI generated artwork, you can easily sell it to different platform and earn up to $100 per day. So today I will show you how you can easily create a Midjourney artwork. So without further ado, let's get started. So here are some of the images that you can create using Midjourney, and it will just take you less than 5 minutes to create this kind of artwork. So for you to get started, you need to first create your Discord account. So once you created your Discord account, then that is the time that you can go to Midjourney, and over here, just click Getting Started, and then just click Quick Start Guide. And over here, you have your quick start guide. So you can just read this one if you like to, for you to understand how this Midjourney works inside your Discord account. So here we will be using this command, the /forward imagine, and to connect this one to your Discord, because this platform only works with Discord. So just click using Discord here, Discord interface. And over here, we have the Midjourney Discord link. Just click on this link. And the next page will give you this one. So once you log into your Discord account, you can just click Accept Invite, and automatically this Midjourney will be added inside your Discord account. So as you can see here, I already have the Midjourney server inside the Discord account. So over here, you can start create your own artwork, but I suggest when you create an artwork, don't do it here inside the Midjourney, because there's a lot of user here, and sometimes it's hard to find your own artwork once you submitted a request to Midjourney. So I suggest that you click Add Server and click your own server or your own room for your own artwork. Click Create My Own, and then just click Skip this question. And over here, just upload your cover photo for your server, and then just name your server. So let me just close this one since I already created my own server. So over here, as you can see, I have my own server, which is my Midjourney. But before you can make use of the Midjourney inside the new server, you need to first go back to the Midjourney, and then just go to the newbie again, and up here just click this member list, and then over here just go ahead and click the Midjourney boot and click Add to Server, and then just select the server name here. So I have my Midjourney, so just click it and authorize the connection of Midjourney to this server so that you can make use of the Midjourney inside this server. So here are some of the work that I did. So there's a different way that you can create your own artwork here. So if you want to create an artwork using your own photo, then you can make use of your photo as your source for the artwork. So over here, for example, I have this image, and I use this image to create this kind of artwork. So you just need to click it, and then just click Open Browser, and then you just need to copy the link of this image and go back to your Discord. And then down here, just type in the /forward imagine, and then click Tab from your keyboard. And then inside the prompt, just paste the image link. And then over here, just add the keywords that you like your photo to transform to. So here, as you can see, we have the Pixar, animation, baby character, realistic. And once you added the keywords, you just need to close it with the _V space 4. Click Enter after that. And as you can see here, I have the result. And over here, you can just select the photo that you like. For example, the first photo is what I like. So what I did is that I just upscale the photo by clicking this U1. And this is the result. It's a high quality image. And I can just click open browser and download this image if I like to. And also, if you have two photos that you would like to combine as your source image, you can also do that. Copy the image link of the two image. So just click open browser and then copy the link and then do the same thing to the other image. And same earlier, just type in the /forward imagine and paste the link over here and then just add space and copy the other image link and then just add your keywords over here. So for example, for this image, I add cyberpunk, realistic animation, and then double hyphen, V space 4, and then just click enter, and this is the result over here. And I like this photo, the second photo, and that is what I did a variation. So just click V3 if you want to add variation. So this is the variation image. And also I upscale the second image. As you can see, this is the upscale image over here. But if you don't have any source image, guys, that's totally fine. Inside the prompt, there's no need for you to copy any image link. If you don't have any image, just directly type the keywords here of the image that you would like to create inside the Midjourney. So as you can see here, I entered this keyword. And then after that, the Midjourney created this artwork. And over here, I selected the fourth image. So I upscaled the fourth image as you can see. And here's the result. And over here as well, I just changed the girl riding a dragon. And here's the result over here. So here are two of the platforms that I recommend where you can sell different kind of artwork and earn up to $100 per day. So the first one is Gumroad. This is really good platform to use to sell your digital artwork, and there's no need for you to pay for monthly fee because Gumroad will just take a fee from every time you sell a product. I guess it's gonna be 10% of the price of the product that they will take away from you once you sell the product. And also the other one is Etsy. It's really good to sell different kind of artwork here, and there's a lot of sellers here. And also this is a proven platform to earn money and sell digital products. So if you search it here, there's a lot of different user here who sell different kind of artwork. So here, as you can see over here, you can also make use of this platform for inspiration of what kind of artwork you can sell online that have a high demand, and make sure that you can really earn more than $100 per day. So these are just two of the platforms that I recommend, but there's also a lot of platforms that you can sell digital products online. So if you just go to Google and search for it, you can see there's a lot of different platforms. But for me, these two platforms are the best when it comes to sell digital products online and earn money online. So I guess that's all for today's video, and thank you so much for watching.